All right, moving over to Hedera, what is happening? We did have this beautiful uptrend, but it does look like Hedera is going to be losing its grips on our 61% at that 17-cent marker. Now, our 61% of our Fibonacci is always a golden ratio here. This is where we see either immediate resistance or immediate supporting levels. And now it's being tested once again. So if we quickly take a look here, as this candlestick is formulating, it does almost look like a spinning top candlestick. However, there's really no other indicators where we're going to see a temporary relief or a temporary bounce from this price point. Now, quickly taking a look at our indicators, our RSI is sitting at 33%, 34%. It is nearing the oversold territory where we see temporary reliefs and bounces. However, it's not in that extreme quite yet. As we zoom out here, we can see other areas where, or other percentages where we see the RSI see temporary relief and bouncing from our charts itself around 18%, even here at 20%. So considering that the RSI is only at 34%, it's got a long ways to go, especially if we take a look at some of our candlestick patterns and we're just hitting very, very hard in the seller's territory. If we do look at the MACD indicator, our K and our D line crossed over, meaning change of the sentiment here. Yes, it is observed above our zero line, which does show us overall sentiment is in the bulls. However, having these red histograms are essentially showing us that the momentum has shifted over to the sellers and we're going to be hitting hard in terms of that price coming downwards. Now, if we do see possibly the bulls kind of reclaiming the 17.3 here, we may see a temporary relief and areas of resistance being tested at the 17.9. We can see back here dated through the earlier days of April, this area was treated as a hard area of resistance, also a good area of support. So this is going to be our next resistance level if we do see some bulls stepping in. However, most likely price is going to come down and retrace closer to our supporting area of 0.168 if we don't see the bulls step in. So definitely let me know what you guys think down below here. Do you think the bulls are going to defend that golden ratio of 61%, or do you think the price is going to come down even further before we see any of that happen? Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.